Assalamu alaikum everyone. If you're new, make sure you join us in this channel right now because we do daily updates. So I'm one of the unluckiest guy who couldn't even get to trade Pepe because I do have a private channel where I do actually post signals, and this is where I give the call for Pepe, right down here, absolutely down right there, okay? And we got stopped out a little bit, and yes, I kind of had to work with the stop because it was kind of a new coin. I didn't know what it is, so I didn't have any choice. Who knows that this is going to happen in the future? But what I was looking forward to is that I did analyze that you got a triangle coming up and down like this, and when you came down here, I actually was planning I was watching the coin and I was looking to buy here. I did end up buying it there, got stopped out, and it actually went to that target. I was looking to sell it right over here. Now when you talk about that one, it absolutely took off that triangle, and as far as I understand, this looks almost like a continuation, which is a pennant, and then you just broke out and you went to the upside. So that's where we got unlucky, and you can see the message, okay? The arrow is where we got stopped out by Pepe. The rest is history. Sometimes I feel like I'm cursed. Yep. So back into the Pepe video. The question is the run going, is this going to continue to go up, or is it going to be exhausted? What exactly is Pepe trying to do right over here? And for some reason, I think I'm going to see what kind of an answer that I can give you for Pepe. So here we go. First of all, you have a move to the upside. You got this sideways movement right over here. So I do think you got the potential of actually moving up because you got a little bit of this continuation pattern right now. And if I take the continuation pattern, you go from there to there, and this is where I think you're going to continue just a little bit. So right now, you do have the ability to actually come from 19,288 right now all the way to 27,704. So that's going to be a move to the upside, which is actually 44%. Further move is actually possible, quite possible, especially that you've actually moved this much. Oh my goodness, don't show me that. Don't show me that. This is where I entered and this is where I got stopped. My goodness. Anyways, so if I had to come down to the 15 minutes time frame here, and I'm just going to show you this. So this is, if I zoom in right over here, see that? Right over there. All right. So this is what happened. I was actually, I had this triangle on the 15 minutes right over here. And then when you broke out, right, you broke out like this, you came down, and that's where the retest really happened. So I did have my stop loss somewhere just here. It came down, just took that stop, and boom. Wow. Wow, man. I kind of see this and I'm like, oh my goodness. What is this? What's going on? Anyways, it's okay. And that's pretty much it for this update. 15th of May, we're going to have a crypto awards. If you're new, set a reminder for the crypto award video, and it's coming in after 9 days, and it's going to be pretty awesome as well. So that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.